The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lawrence County Police Department. As of 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, 32 people have disappeared. It is unknown what happened to these individuals. At this time, please remain vigilant as the Lawrence County Police Department is doing everything they can to locate and find these people. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lawrence County Police Department. As of 12 a.m. Central Standard Time, 14 of the 32 people have been found dead, with their bodies extremely mangled and seemingly torn to shreds. We do not know who or what is doing this, and search efforts are still underway for the rest of the missing people. At this time, please lock all doors and windows, as we do not want whoever or whatever this person or thing is to break into your home. We will now return to normal programming.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lawrence County Police Department. All of the 32 bodies have been found, extremely mangled. It is now known that this creature is known as a skinwalker. At this time, please lock all doors and windows, and barricade them if you can. Lay salt at all entrances to your home, turn off all lights, and bring a crucifix and Bible. If this creature comes into your home, preach loudly and spray salt at this skinwalker. This creature can shape-shift and mimic any voice of the people it kills. If you hear a familiar voice, it is best not to go to it. If you hear knocking on your door, do not open it. If you hear cries of help outside, do not open your door, or even look outside. A description of this creature in its regular form is 10 feet tall, extremely long limbs, glowing red eyes, a deer skull for a head, and extremely long deer-like limbs. Do not make any noise, as it has superhuman hearing and other superhuman abilities. Programming is now suspended indefinitely.